Thank you for this cross, Lord. Thank you for the price you paid, bearing all my sin and shame. In love you came and gave amazing grace. Thank you for this love, Lord. Thank you for the nail-pierced hand. With me in your cleansing blood, now all I know, your forgiveness and embrace. Worthy is the Lamb, seated on the throne. We crown you now with many crowns. You reign victorious, high and lifted up. Jesus, Son of God, the treasure of heaven, crucified. Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb.
Our next song is In Christ Alone.
In Christ alone, my hope is found. He is my light, my strength, my song. This cornerstone, this solid ground, firm through the fiercest drought and storm. What heights of love, what depths of peace, when fears are still, when striving cease. My comforter, my all in all, here in the love of Christ I stand. In Christ alone, who took on flesh, fullness of God in helpless babe, this gift of love and righteousness, scorned by the ones he came to save. Till on the cross, as Jesus died, the wrath of God was satisfied. For every sin on him was laid. Here in the death of Christ I live. Here in the death of Christ I live. And now we're going to sing our two Bible memory verses. My brother.
Ephesians chapter 6 verse 11. Put on the full armor of God so that you can take your stand against the devil's schemes.
Well done, brother. Philippians chapter 4 verse 13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
Well done, brother. And now, guys, that's the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed that. Put and subscribe to our channel and put a like on this video if you like it. So guys, enjoy your weekend when it's the weekend. So guys, see you later.
Bye!